start removing this door panel, I'm going to start up here, pry off the tweeter speaker. Now to disconnect this, you just pull on it. There's no lock or anything. And once you look down at the door handle, you'll notice a Phillips head screw right in the middle of it. Remove that. Pry this off, and then remove the cover. Now you're going to need to pop out this trim piece here. And there's a 10mm bolt in there and one in here. Now you can go around with a trim tool, pop off all the clips that hold this door panel on, and that should come right off. Now let's peel off this vapor barrier. Set that aside. Now with a 10mm, I'm going to remove these two nuts as well as these two bolts. Take your door check, push it in, reach in here, and grab it, slide it through the hole, and here's your old door check. Now at this point, be careful because the door swings freely. Now take your new door check, slide it in through the door, and bring it out through here. Line up the two studs. Okay, here's one popped through. I'm going to put a nut back on. Line up the second one. Putting the nut on just allows the door check to pivot on that top nut. Let's snug these up. Okay, nice and tight. Now put in these bolts. Make those nice and snug. Perfect. Let's get the vapor barrier back on. If it doesn't stick anymore for you, you can use some tape or whatever you might have. Now take your door panel, line it up with all the push clips, push them in. Put in your two main anchor bolts and reinstall this trim piece. I'm going to put it in at the front first because it has a little hook there, and then just press it on. Take this cover, pop it on at the front, and then slide it on the back side. Reinstall the Phillips head screw that held it on. Reconnect the tweeter and put back this insulation. Now this piece has two hooks on the bottom. They have to slide over the door panel. Once those are over, press it in at the top.